Going on, guys? It's Brass Effects, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a trade that I took today on gold. Now, it's been a few months since I've made a video. I've just been focusing on trading my challenges, and yeah, but I also want to show you this trade that I took today on gold, well, actually yesterday. Yeah, so this is the trade that I took on gold. Now, the reason why I took this trade is because, well, what we saw here early in the day, this is how I actually like to process my trades. So I'll go on a daily, and what I would usually do is just do a line from the previous daily high and the previous daily low. Then I would use my Fibonacci tool to determine whether price is in a premium or if it's in a discount. If price is in a premium, it'll be in this upper section here. So you can see these orange lines here. It'll be in this section right here. And if price is in a discount, it'll be here. Now, the reason why I like to use this tool is because it helps me to determine whether I should be buying or selling. That's not the only reason why I decided to buy gold. If you go into the daily, you can see price has been trending very strong to the upside on the daily. And if you've been trading gold, you will know that the daily highs are being broken constantly. So that's the reason why I only wait for buyers at the moment. I did actually take a trade before this and I lost. So the trade I took before this was around this area here at 130, which was a bit early for me to take a trade, I'll be honest, but it was a small loss. So yeah, as you can see on Alpha Capital, it's not looking good at the moment, but I have been over trading, which is the reason why I've been taking so many losses. It's just a psychology thing, and you're not always gonna have a good month as well, so always gotta keep that in mind. But if we go to the previous month in Jan, you can see I was starting off really well. So the first week was 3k, then we took a loss on a Thursday and then another small win on a Friday. And yeah, I think the reason why I was taking so many losses is because of over trading. Honestly, that's the only issue I've been having with this challenge. So you can see that second week was actually pretty good as well. That's actually in profit. So the first 2 weeks was profit. First 2 weeks was really good. So yeah, January actually wasn't too bad. It was the last 2 weeks with a loss, but other than that, it wasn't bad. Then you can see in February, took two trades that first week. The next week I just took a break, only had one trade, but I decided to just exit early because I thought, you know what, let me just take the week off. And I remember that week being a very slow week as well on the charts. I didn't see my setup, so I didn't trade. And that's another thing, guys. If you don't see your setup, don't trade, honestly, because you don't want to be forcing setups. And also, not every setup is a good setup. One thing I like to do, I just like to wait for high quality setups. And I realize if I'm just taking every setup, not only am I going to lose more, I'm also taking more trades, which means that I'll be losing more because I'm taking more trades. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, the best weeks I've had in trading is when I don't trade a lot. I take like 1, maybe 2 trades max. Any more than that, I start losing. So as you can see here, my trades are, you can see I went on a losing streak. I wasn't good. And you can see, look, this is all in the same day. This is all in the same day. You can see I took so many trades. I could have avoided all of this had I just waited for a better time to enter the market. It's all about timing, do you know what I mean? So as you can see here, I entered at 1 o'clock. That was too early. If I waited at 2:30 and then took the trade, it would have been a lot better. So yeah, timing is also a very important thing when it comes to the markets, because you can enter too early, you can enter too late, and you just end up getting stopped out. So what's more important than knowing when to trade is knowing when to not trade. You have to know when to stay out, because trading is a waiting game. Trading is a game that you just have to basically just be patient and wait for the market to come to you. My best month was when I took 4 trades throughout the month, and I think I won every trade that month because I was just waiting for the high quality setups. But as you can see, when I take more trades, I end up losing more. And more proof of this is the previous month before that. So you can see the first 2 weeks, 2.7k. The second week was 1.4k. So as you can see, that first week I started trading, I only took 3 trades throughout the week, and look what happened. I ended up winning I ended up winning I ended up having a winning week. But as you can see, the second week, I took a bit more trades, took one more trade. But look, it also ended up being a winning week. But here's where it changes. This week here, I took 3 trades in that day, which is already too much for the week. Honestly, it should be like 1, maybe 2 trades in a week. So I could have avoided all this. I could have, if I could have kept that minus 470 had I just taken that 1 trade for the week. It wouldn't have been 1.8k loss. It would have been $400. Same thing with this week as well. I could have just left it at 1.2k loss, but decided to take 2 more trades throughout that week. Ended up losing another 1,000, another 1%. And that's the thing, when you're trading too much, it's like death by 1,000 cuts. That is literally what over trading is. 1 cut might not do much harm, but the more cuts you get, the more harm it's going to do. And that's essentially what's going on when you're over trading. You don't want to over trade because you're just literally bleeding the account. You don't want to bleed the account. Do you know what I mean? Obviously, this is a funded challenge, so I can take as much time as I want. And I honestly think taking more time is actually better. That's pretty much the video. Just wanted to show you guys my progress. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming out with more videos like this one. So yeah, it's Price FX and I'm out.